Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, guys, happy Ramadan. So, today we are going to start with herpes in pregnancy. And today's video is sponsored by nobody. But one day we will find a sponsor. I am very hopeful. Okay. Now, herpes in pregnancy, the main issue is neonatal herpes, right? It gets transmitted to neonate, and the neonate can have the herpes in three forms. Either it's going to be local disease, or it's going to be, CNS is going to be affected, or it's going to be disseminated disease. Now, we have HSV1 and we have HSV2. So, 1 is number 1, so it causes more cases. 52%, and 2 is on number 2, so it causes lesser as compared to 1, but still high, 48% of cases of neonatal herpes. So if you look at the cases, 52% are caused by 1 and 48% are caused by 2. This percentage is very important. Okay, next. So basically, why does neonatal herpes happen? 3 routes. Okay, the first one that comes in our mind as we are studying pregnancy is maybe ये placenta से गुजर के जाता होगा, transplacental spread, but it's very rare. So it's the rarest. Transplacental spread is very rare, only 5%, and it causes in utero congenital herpes. Okay, most common is infected vaginal secretions, direct contact with those secretions, that contributes to 75 to 85% of cases. And then postnatal acquisition is 10 to 25%. What is postnatal acquisition? फलान ने प्यार कर लिया बच्चे को, फलान रिश्तेदार ने उठा लिया. So that orolabial herpes infection occurs from a close relative, friend or friend of the parent. So don't give your newborn baby to everybody. Okay, just show your baby to them from a distance कि हाँ ये लें, ये बेबी है, इसको देख लें. दे नहीं आप उनको, वरना ये देखें ऐसे सारा इन्फेक्शन हो सकता है. Very dangerous ना. Okay, now so these are the percentages of neonatal herpes. Now what is the transmission? Now transmission, when we talk about it, we have 2 forms. Okay, we have the initial episode, this is very important. Okay, and then we have the recurrent episode. Initial episode is further divided into 2 forms, primary and non-primary. Okay, primary is that case in which initial means it's first episode, whether it's primary or non-primary. So what is the difference? In primary, there are no antibodies to any of the type, but in non-primary, the antibodies are there to the other type. मतलब अगर HSV1 से इन्फेक्शन हुआ तो HSV2 के लिए पहले से एंटीबॉडीज हैं, 2 से हुआ तो 1 के लिए अदर टाइप की एंटीबॉडीज हैं, उसकी नहीं है, तो नॉन प्राइमरी. देन रिकरेंट इज दैट it's a reactivation after a period of latency. So these are the